Just by looking at the data quickly, I noticed that some information is missing. So I would like to create a rule that highlights all the empty cells, and this way I can make sure that I do not miss any. We're going to click on Format, then select Conditional Formatting. Now opens a new menu on the right-hand side of the screen where we can decide what we want to create. There's some pre-made rules to format it, but you can create customized one. First of all, we're going to select our range. We can manually type it in, or we can click on the symbol here and highlight the portion of the tab we want to apply the conditional formatting to. If we click OK, we can see what we have selected. Once again, remember that if the number of rows is growing, you do not have to specify that, you can just use the letter of the columns. I'm going to type it manually this time, column A to J. Next step is looking at the Rules Select section. The drop menu contains a few default ones. Let's see if the one we need is present. Alright, so it's the first one here on the list. Format cell when they're empty. We can move to the last section, the formatting style, and maybe change the color of the cell to red if it's empty. I'm going to click on the bucket and select one of the shades of red. You probably noticed that there are other formatting options here that you can pick to personalize your conditional formatting. In our case, only changing the color of the cell would make sense because we want to highlight the empty ones. Let's click on Done and check the result. Here on the right side, we can see the list of all the conditional formatting rules that are active at the range. If I fill now one of those cells, you will see the rule will take care of the formatting.